Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a dang minute and I'm back for the holidays. I wanted to film some videos before Christmas and give you guys some inspiration. I wanted to do this little green smoky eye cut crease situation. As you can see, the backdrop is green and I don't know, I'm feeling that vibe, you know? So if you want to know how to get this look, just jump right into the video. So it's like, this is like my second time filming and let's just get on with it. I'm gonna be using a mixture of 3 different palettes. I'm not sure what kind of look we're going for yet, but I know I want it to be green. I'm just gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just gonna put 2 little dots on my eyes. You don't need much because this thing is pigmented. Then I'm going to take a concealer brush. I'm just going to blend it out. The big fluffy brush, this is the Wet n Wild's crease brush, big fluffy crease brush, whatever. I'm going to go into Jada. I believe it's called Jada. Oh no, it's called Diva. I'm going to go into Diva, which is this dark hunter green color. Oh, actually, before that. Okay, so before that, I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. And now we'll go in with Diva. Put it right in that crease. You see how that right there is not fully blended? I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and just buff that out. Make it a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna build this color up until I get the color that I want. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Silk Cream and MFEO, I believe. Just gonna run those right into the crease, blend it in with that green, make it more transitional. I'm gonna take another brush, but this one has more of a precise dome looking. See that point right there? Yeah, that's the brush you kind of look for, because then I want to focus this green color closer to the crease. And with Silk Cream and MFEO again, I'm just going to blend that crease. Now there's like a patch right there that's not taking the pigment. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Diva one more time, but get like a little bit. Just going to focus the pigment right there, just like that. So let's chat. Where have I been? Let's see. Gone, apparently. So I left for the summer. Things have just been busy. I mean, honestly, things have just been literally busy. Look, I know y'all want to hear the tea, but I'm not spilling. It's not that I don't want you guys to know what happened. It's just, it's my private life and I want to keep that aspect of my life private, and same goes with whoever's in it. I haven't uploaded since Easter, I believe, and it's been rough, bro. Like, honestly, it's been really rough. Shit just happens and you just gotta roll with it, I guess. And when it's like that, like I said in my monthly videos that I've done before, when things happen like that, I really am not in the mood to film. I worked for my cousins for the weekend and my mom throughout the weekday, and that's part of the reason why I was gone and wasn't able to film. It's just because I was helping them run their business. But let me tell you, this summer hella sucked. Like, I don't know what the fuck happened. If it's because of Mercury is in retrograde, but this summer was complete hell. Let's never relive that summer again. Let's completely erase it from our brains and let's just, you know, let's just move on. I'm trying to just focus on having or being more positive. Not to say that I was completely negative, but you know, others would disagree. So I'm trying to be more positive now about everything and anything. Just trying to make better memories with my friends and my family, you know, like that's who I care about the most. That's who I love and adore the most. So I'm just trying to work on myself and work on bettering myself. I don't really know what I'm saying right now just because I don't want to put my business out there. I'm just letting you guys know like why I've been gone. Basically, I've just been gone because I needed time to recuperate from this summer. I needed time to, I guess, let my mind kind of settle and just get used to things now. It's a process that I have to do alone. No matter how much people are there for me, I have to go through this by myself, and that's something that I'm slowly getting and understanding. Basically, you want it all smoked out, okay? That's what we're going for. We're going for a Grinch-y, smoky eye. Alright, I'm gonna take some of that concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. Before this dries down, I'm gonna work really fast and put a mixture of Central Perk and of Egypt. I'm gonna first apply it with my finger. She a Slytherin queen or what? And then because I can't get into like these little spots and stuff like that, I'm gonna take a flat brush, pat it on. And then I'm gonna take a really small, I don't even know where I got this brush from, but I'm gonna take a really small like blending brush. I'm gonna go into Devo one more time. And I'm just gonna focus this right on that line right there. Because I want the depth, but I don't want it to like blur out. Someone told me that I need to be more selfish for myself, and to me it's like I can't really do that, and I'm trying to learn how to be that person because at the end of the day I'm the only one that can take care of myself, the only one that can make me happy basically. And I was always raised to like put others before myself, like, so growing up and still to this day, I tend to want to please others, and if I don't, it's kind of a disappointment to me because then I feel like I'm failing and when I'm really not. So I have that tiny itty bitty problem that I'm trying to help, and you know, I'm trying to be more selfish, and by selfish I mean I'm trying to care for myself more. I'm trying to get to know myself and get to know what I want in life and everything like that. So I mean, it's been a process. I have my ups, I have my downs. Actually this week has kind of been down just because of where I am right now and like everything that's going on in my personal life. But that's pretty much the gist of everything. So once that's done, I'm gonna go in with the Inglot gel eyeliner in 77. I'm just gonna line my eyes like nothing special. No wing, no cat eye. Just a simple line, just to define. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I quickly popped on my lashes off camera. And these are the Lily lashes in Sephora collection in the style Havana. And then I just did my face. Now I'm gonna go back to my eyes. So line my eyes. I'm gonna use this NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On and definitely a turn on waterproof in the color Esmeralda. I think I'm gonna go in with Diva again. And I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. And then what I was gonna do was I was gonna go with my Alchemist palette and use that greenish color, but I don't know where it is anymore. I'm just gonna go in with some Fuego by Desi X Katie and Dose of Colors, and we're just gonna pop that into our inner lash, into our inner corners. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad to be back, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for a new holiday glam. Bye. You see how... Oh shoot, I just hit myself in the eye. That was my powder.